Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add motion. Start by selecting the clip and moving the playhead to the exact frame you want your first keyframe. Open the inspector so you can see transform, opacity, or any effect controls. This is where Final Cut stores keyframe options. Once done, expand the parameter you'll animate and look for the keyframe diamond or the Add Keyframe button. Hit that to create the initial state. Make sure you're precise, because that first keyframe defines the starting value for the motion. Now create motion. Move the playhead forward to where the next change should occur, then alter the parameter. Drag the on-screen handle or tweak numeric fields. Final Cut auto-adds another keyframe. Repeat for all intermediate states, and remember to vary spacing for acceleration or easing. Once multiple keyframes exist, open the video animation or the animation editor to slide keyframes, adjust Bezier handles, or change linear to smooth interpolation. This is where timing becomes fluid. Small tweaks drastically improve perceived motion if you make them intentional. Finish by playing the clip and watching the animated parameter in context. Make frame-accurate adjustments to keyframe timing or values until motion looks natural. If a keyframe is unnecessary, select it and delete or disable from the inspector. If you see sudden jumps, check interpolation. Switching from linear to smooth or editing Bezier handles usually fixes abrupt changes. Finally, render or background render to ensure playback is real-time. This confirms your keyframes are finalized and your animation behaves exactly as you intended.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.